beautiful people. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this mouth-watering, simple and slimy okra soup recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So on my list I have my chopped okra, grated okra, stockfish, crayfish powder and uziza seed. I have my cow skin, seasoning powder, black pepper, uziza leaf, palm oil. So let's dive right into it. So in my pot I have my chicken boiling already. It's well seasoned. Next I'll add in my stockfish, cow skin and black pepper, uziza seed, crayfish powder. So I'm gonna stir everything together nicely. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? And if you're seeing my video for the first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay, subscribe and share the video to your friends and loved ones. Next I'll add in my palm oil. So this is not gonna be a frying method and this is so healthy and simple to follow, and the taste was on point. So I'm gonna cook this for a few minutes and let's go over to making our okra slimy. So next I'll add in water in the pot and I'll add in my grated okra. It can also be chopped anyway. You can also use chopped okra or with your food processor and the rest. So I added in more water. I found out that my pot was a little bit small. Okay, so I added in seasoning powder. The seasoning powder is optional. Okay, so I'm gonna whisk this for 1 to 2 minutes on a very low heat. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. This will make the okra very slimy. I have okra video on the channel, and that okra video I added baking powder to make it slimy, but this one there is no baking powder and the result was good. Okay, so this is our soup base doing well. So I'm gonna stir this quickly and I'm gonna transfer the okra right into the soup base and stir everything together. When I saw the palm oil floating, I was like, oh Nancy, you have cooked. Okay, but by the time I finished stirring everything together, it came out well. And this is what I meant. Everything came out perfectly okay. And can you see how slimy this okra is? The sliminess was on point. So next I'll add in my chopped okra. You can skip this if you want, but it was good. Next I'll add in my uziza leaf and I'm gonna stir everything together. This was good. Okay, I did it and it was okay, so I thought of sharing it to my amazing and beautiful family. I'd love you to try this and tell me what you think about the video. So here is how I got my very slimy okra recipe that has a very good taste. So try this combo and come back to thank me later. So this is it, how it's looking like, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.